Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to change date and time in Windows 10. So this is really simple guys. There are two ways you can do this. So all you have to do is click on this start menu. Now go to this settings button, click on the settings button, and now go to time and language, and here you can see the date and time settings guys. So first of all you have to turn this off. As you want to set the time manually, you have to turn this setting off, and now click on change. As you can see guys, you can change date and time here. Okay, now turn this back on. So the second way you can do this is right click here, right click in the space where you see the date and time, and click on adjust date and time. So the same option will pop up guys. Similarly you just have to turn this off and click on change. You can also change the time zone here. So first of all you have to turn this off, and now you can select any time zone you want, and the time will be automatically set according to the time zone. So that's it guys. Leave a like, comment and subscribe for more if this worked for you.